Okay, we've got a circle, a radius, a tangent, and then from the chord AB we've got an angle subtended to the centre, and that's x. And we need to show that the angle ABC, which is this angle here, is equal to a half of x. So the one thing we know is that there is a right angle sitting between the radius and the tangent. That is, the definition of a radius and a tangent is that they meet at 90 degrees. Now, because OB and OA are both radii, we're forming an isosceles triangle here, which means that the angles at the bottom of the triangle must be equal. Well, if this is angle x, then 180 minus x is shared between the two of them. And the reason is that triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle. So therefore, the angle ABC, which is the angle we want to find, is 90 minus OBA. So, dividing both these terms by 2 and dealing with the negative sign outside the front, we get 90 minus 180 divided by 2 is 90. Minus times minus is positive, and this will be x over 2. The 90s cancel. So we're left with the angle ABC is equal to x over 2. And there is your answer.